essential skills to become a data engineer. Becoming a data engineer requires a diverse set of skills that span across multiple disciplines, including programming, database management, data architecture, and more. Here is a breakdown of the essential skills needed. Number 1, programming language. Number 2, database management. Number 3, data warehousing solutions. Number 4, big data technologies. Number 5, data modeling. Number 6, data pipelines tools. Number 7, cloud platforms. Number 8, scripting and automation. Number 9, version control. Number 10, data security and compliance. Number 11, problem solving and analytical skills. Number 12, communication and collaboration. Number 13, continuous learning. By mastering these skills, you will be well equipped to handle the challenges and demands of a data engineering role. Thank you. Take care.